Hi, I'm Chad Shields. I'm the project manager for Solar Art Window Film. Today we're going to be talking about what to do to get ready for an interior office window film installation.
We will be installing window film on the interior of your office. The goal of this window film is to reflect solar energy and reduce energy consumption of the building. We do this by applying a thin film to the interior of the glass that will increase the efficiency of the glass.
The first thing to do for a window film project is to get the site ready, and that means having the tenants and office workers kind of clear their space to get ready for the installation. We want to clear a 3-foot working space so we don't damage any papers, any materials, any personal belongings. The first thing we would ask you to do is shut down all of your electronics, so computers, speakers, any printers that you might have. Unplug those and move them, to the edge of the desk, or if your desk is up against a window, move them off of the desk so when we come to install, we can, move the desk away from the window and we don't have to move any of that equipment ourselves. So we ask that you move any pictures, any kind of small decorations or knickknacks, and especially any stickers, notes, or anything that may be on the windows themselves. We take those down and just move them to a safe location. If you don't have time, if you forget, if any of this stuff's to where that doesn't get moved, we're happy to do that. We have to move those things to get to the windows anyway. So what we'll try to do is take a picture so we know where things are laid out, move everything away, do the window film installation, and then refer to the picture to set things back up as best as possible. Again, some things will be out of place, but we'll do everything we can to have as little disruption as possible in the window film process. Any furniture, like if there are tables in the way, small couches, we will move those as well. If you have a large filing cabinet or storage shelves, something like that, if you would offer us the help of unloading that either shelf or filing cabinet, we are more than happy to move that out of the way, complete the installation, and move it back. So our goal is to install the window film, leave you with a more comfortable environment, but also not disrupt any of your day-to-day workflow. What you may see on a window, like after it's been installed, day 2, 3, 4, something like that, you'll see some bubbles appear, and that's where water that was used to install the window film is kind of pooling under the film while it dries out. These are very normal. It will happen on a majority of the windows, and those bubbles and water will dry out over a 3 to 4 week period. We ask for 30 days. Anything over 30 days, I'm happy to come back out and take a look. Thank you for letting us into your office. We hope that you enjoy your window film. Please let us know if you have any questions or future requests.